Protect every electrical connection before you clean air conditioner coils to prevent water from causing shorts or shocks. Start by turning off power at the service disconnect and then at the circuit breaker to ensure the unit is completely de-energized. Confirm the power is off by testing the unit with a non-contact voltage tester or by attempting to start the system briefly before you begin any work. Keep the breaker box closed and locked while you clean so accidental re-energizing is unlikely. If splashing is possible, drape exposed wires, terminals, and the control box with a heavy-duty plastic sheet and secure it with waterproof tape, but never cover heat-producing components or airflow openings. For a corded unit, always unplug at the outlet after switching off the breaker so there is no residual power path. When you finish cleaning, remove coverings, dry all surfaces with a clean lint-free cloth, and only restore power after a thorough visual inspection and a final voltage check. Common problems include forgetting to fully remove power, which can lead to damage or personal injury, and the fix is to always use a tester and treat the circuit as live until proven dead. Another frequent issue is trapping moisture under plastic coverings causing corrosion, so leave covers slightly elevated for ventilation and remove them promptly when cleaning is done. People also often miss small exposed terminals in tight spaces, so use a flashlight and a mirror or phone camera to inspect hard-to-see areas and apply protective covering or tighten terminal screws as needed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can safely handle electrical and coil cleaning work, and it connects contractors with nearby job opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we share safety tips, ask questions, and learn from others who have done similar projects.